Pasta tartar to Rolex, pare, nakita mo?
At saka ano kasi pang birthday niya.
Birthday card, Tugigaraw card, driving card, 12 hours card, dentist card, lahat ng baraka po ginamit. What's up guys? Another watch, another day, pare. Sir, hi po. Nice to meet you. Kamusta? Ma'am, hi po. Anyway, sir, ano paglilingkod ko, sir? You are looking for a watch. Ito na ba yung mga napili, sir? Parang relit? Okay, sige.
First watch ni sir kung
First
saan.
watch niya. First Rolex. Sige, sir. Anong ginagawa pa sa buhay, sir?
I'm a dentist.
Pasta at Rolex. What?
Dentist ba yung father mo?
Yes, my father is a dentist with my wife. This is the one that you reserved.
Yeah.
This is a 41mm na Oyster Perpetual. Very nice thing about this is very clean lang. So no dates, no other complication. It's just the time. This also has power reserve, windable siya, and automatic pa naman yung movement. So if you want something a little flashy naman, you'll go with something like this. This is a Datejust 41mm, fluted bezel, rhodium dial, and with diamonds pa siya.
Itry mo rin.
Sub.
Yeah, this is a Submariner na pretty ceramic naman. No date din. That's one of my favorite watches din kasi ayoko masyadong complicated. And this one naman, this is pre-ceramic din na Blue Sea. This is a 16613. This is underrated, to be honest. Something like this is really nice for a daily watch. This is only for 438,000. It's a 2022 pa. So the warranty is up to 2027. Pag pinakamura daw, boss, di pwede tawaran eh.
Sarado mo.
Hindi masasaraw to, boss.
Kinas ko na ng 18. Pero malaki na yung 18 kasi dyan.
400, that's almost 5%. Pagka...
Ano pag 400, di ba?
Kahit ako, kunin ko to, kahit 400 eh.
Ano, ayaw pa natin. At saka ano kasi pang birthday niya.
Lahat ng baraka po ginamit. Birthday card, Tugigaraw card, driving card, 12 hours card, dentist card.
Parang nga, baka pwede 400 na.
Binigay na niya ng 420. The most that I can
410.
give is 450.
410, sir. Sa birthday niya, April 10.
Naman! Babalik kayo April 10. Buti palayo pa.
Pare mo, bibilan niyo rin ako next
Yun,
time.
nakakabahala sa'yo next time. Sige na, ma'am.
410 na.
Ma'am, may jacket naman si ikaw na susot na.
Gusto ko yung 410 para swerte.
Hindi po swerte yun. 420 kung gusto nyo swerte eh.
May free polish eh.
Free polish. Kasi chinek ko, kailangan ng konti eh. Pero pwede mo na siya enjoyin. Huwag mo nang i-avail yung free polish. Avail mo na lang siya later. Pag talagang binugbog mo na siya, marami nang tumalsik na pasta, tsaka mga tartar, tsaka mo na siya ipapalis. O sige, 410, no? Free polish. Haha.
Pwede. 410 daw, wala, huwag ka nang magpapali. Sige na kasi date ng ano, birthday niya.
Oh, paano makuha ko ng date ng birth ko? April 10 kasi.
Sige, done. Thank you so much. Thank you po, maraming salamat. I'll just have to reside it. Are you gonna be through cash or bank transfer? Anong bank?
Metro Bank.
Naku, meron tayo niyan. Sabi, paldosito ka. Yan ang binibili, boss. Actually, benta kami dito. Hindi talaga relo eh. Jacket, binibenta po na. Boss, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ha. Man, thank you po, ha. Congratulations on your first Rolex. Grabe naman. Ako lagi ang first. Ako nakaka-virgin sa mga to.
Shout out to PTCDC family, to Rotary Club of Tugigaraw family, sa Apostle Institute Batch 1, sa Tutti Cafe, Quezon City and Tugigaraw branch.
PJ Santiago Dental Clinic.
Pasta tartar to Rolex, pare, nakita mo? Veneers, di ba? Veneers naman. Sige, gandaan natin. Veneers to Rolex.